Thank you very much. And I'm very, very pleased to be part of this group and address the esteemed team and students and all the members of this competition. I'm coming here from a very sunny morning here in beautiful New England. We're going to be expecting a heat wave, but we will manage, and I will probably stay most of the time outside. When I heard that the International Institute of Hotel Management now is joining with the U.S. Soybean Export Council, I was reminded again and kind of impressed about the vision of the leadership of IIHM under the direction of Dr. Bose of visionary partnerships. I've been involved over the last 11 years with a project called Culinary Medicine, which really was an eye-opening for me as a chef as to the importance of addressing chronic illnesses around the world that deal with nutrition. And I think when I look at products that can help us stem the influx of chronic diseases in relationship to nutrition, one of the foremost product is soybeans. Soybeans are high in fiber, they're high in protein, lactose-free, full of omega-3 fatty acids. They are a very good source of antioxidants. They're cholesterol-free, low in saturated fat, and very high in phytoestrogens. With other words, it's one of the superfoods with multiples of uses. And I think any culinarian in the future will have to know how to properly use soybeans. There are hundreds of applications and products made from soybean. And I think the chef of the future really need to learn in a positive way, in a good way, in a beneficial way for his or her customers to use soybean products. I had my coffee earlier, and there's a soya creamer that is made here that is absolutely marvelous. And I had replaced that a long time ago for dairy products. So I personally use a lot of the products made from soya. I use soya milk for my cereal, along with other products. And soya beans are a mainstay in many, many products. So again, I'm really, really proud and excited about this partnership between the U.S. Soybean Export Council and the International Institute of Hotel Management. And you're going to see wonderful things coming out of this. To the students, I want to say, make sure you understand the importance of products that you use. Understand what you are feeding other people can have a grave impact on their health. So make sure that what you do in the future is more wholesome, is better for them, less harmful, and also obviously taste very good. We are in terms of a new vision. I think we can coin the phrase, which has been done actually a while ago, is that food is medicine, meaning that what we put all food in our body every day. And obviously we eat for pleasure, which is important. It has to taste good, look good, and smell good. But we also use it to function our body. We use food to energize our body, but we have to do it the right way and the way it's beneficial to us and our bodies. And to that, once again, I congratulate all of you, all the directors, Dr. Bose, and the U.S. Soybean Export Council for this great partnership. And if I can be of any support in any shape in the future, please let me know, and I will be there to help. So all the best in this contest. Thank you.
IIHM.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.